Hey guys, how are you? This is part 4, I believe. This is after I painted it. It's all done for now. So, on part 1, I went ahead and tack welded this together. I don't know if you can see here. All in the back is reinforced with some mesh screen. And then on part 2, I showed you that I had to use some clamps to clamp it all down together because it was kind of popping apart. There's a crack that goes all the way down through here. And then on part 3, did some bondoing where I filled in the gaps there and sanded everything. And now this is part 4, so you can just see the end result. If you look here, pretty smooth as it goes around. It's good enough for me. I painted it with some etching primer and then just some black primer, sandable primer on top of it. I'm not an expert by any means. Hope you guys like it. From that side, I just want to show you from the back so you could see what I did back there, and then also this is kind of popping up just a little bit compared to that side. You can see how it sits down flat. That kind of sits just up a little bit. Hopefully it'll be fine when we put it together. And I'll show you from the front, and that'll be it. Milo, say bye.